Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can get a better quality of image that you received on DMs on Discord. So let's say that you got this image like I did on DMs by your friend, and you notice that the quality is quite bad, and it is due to the compression that is on the Discord. But there is a way to get the original quality and resolution. In order to do so, all you need to do is open the image in the browser, and in order to do that you can find the text over here. If you click on open in browser over here in the bottom left corner of the image, then you will open it as it says in the browser, but the quality and the resolution of this image should be the same as original. So now I opened the image in the browser, and the resolution and the quality is pretty much the same as before sending the image. So that's how you can get a better quality of an image on Discord. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.